What's up YouTube, TMZ1313 here. Hey, quick video just to show you guys my first day of full production. I had all solar panels hooked up. I went all day with it. I wasn't really home, so I wasn't able to monitor it. And it did go on float mode, so I did waste a low energy. Um, but um, it, the, it ended up being really good. I'm doing some work on it right now. I'm actually about to take everything down and rework stuff. Get my battery vent going because I need that now, and everything else. But I figured before I unplug everything, because you're not going to be able to see any of this because it's going to erase it all, I'd show it to you. So, let me, it's nighttime now, so. Yeah, so today I got 184 amp hours, got 4.9 kilowatt hours, 37.9 amp peak, pretty good, 1000 watt peak. My maximum voltage was at 28.8. I was in absorb for an hour and float mode for 2 hours and 23 minutes. So yeah, really good. Now I could have probably got a little bit more kilowatt hours because I got about 3.2 kilowatt hours off 3 panels. So I should be getting way over 6 kilowatt hours. But like I said, I wasn't home. I wasn't able to monitor it, and I mean, with that high amperage, it charging the battery so quick, it limits power. So, but definitely everything's coming out good. Everything's working good. Now it's time to get a little bit more organized, make it a little bit more neater. Yeah. So today I offset my power by, what is that? Almost 4 kilowatt hours. Not bad. Not bad at all. So that's how much because I reset it last night. So I got 4 kilowatt hours. I offset my bill. Not bad at all. I would like to see it a little bit higher, but you know, I don't want to drain these batteries too much. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, click that bell so you get all the notifications of new videos. I got tons of videos coming. I still got to do my garage solar panels. I got to hook up everything in my garage, but this is my main priority. But I do want to make this a little bit neater for you guys. So yeah, alright guys, I'll talk to you later. See ya.